Another episode of Just Cooking. Today on Just Cooking, we'll be making bacon fried cabbage. All right, so now we're going to put our bacon in a hot skillet and cook this bacon up. The bacon up really well. See how well it is? I just want to get some more of the ones that got like the fat on. I want to cook those up some more. Then we'll be back with the next step. Now the bacon is done. We're going to take it out of the pan. Now we have our onions. We're going to cook those up. Then we're going to add some garlic. All right, now we're going to let this cook up for a bit. Now that we have our onions and garlic cooked, we're going to start putting our cabbage in. We're going to start mixing this around. So now that the cabbage is looking quite done, because some people like their cabbage to be really soft, and some people like to have a little crunch in their cabbage. I like mine to be a little soft crunch. I think that's good. So now I'm going to show you how it's coming out. So you see, like it's a soft in this part of the crunchy part. So when it's like that, then you can put your bacon in. You want your bacon to be done. And you don't want to put it in, well, that's why you want the cabbage to be done before you put your bacon in, because you don't want your bacon to turn like soggy. So, here you have it, bacon fried cabbage. Just cooking. Be back in a moment with someone to taste test it and let you know how good it is. Now we're back and Mother is tasting our bacon fried cabbage. Bon appetit, Mother.
Okay, give it a try.
Got that crunch like you like?
Mm-hmm. This is good.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Let me say this. I'm a person who does not like done vegetables. I don't eat done vegetables. I will turn my nose up like a little kid to a meal with done vegetables. When she even first showed this to me, I said, nah, I ain't eating that, because I thought it was too done. But as you could hear as I was chewing, it's crunchy, just like I like it. Well done. Excellent flavor, and I am one happy camper.
Okay. Two thumbs up, one thumb up.
Two.
All right, 2 thumbs up. So try it at home. It was an easy, simple recipe. All right, just cooking. Bye.